Copying product details from other Shopify stores to your own Shopify store is a breeze. It's super simple, trust me. All you need to do is head over to the Shopify App Store and search for Copify. Once you find it, just install the app and you're good to go. Now, let's move on to the next step. We need to find the Shopify product that we want to copy. For this example, let's use this particular product. Simply copy the product link and head over to your Shopify dashboard. Click on Import Products and make sure to select Shopify as the source. Then, just paste the product link in the designated field and click Import. In just a matter of seconds, the product details will be copied over. That's all there is to it. By using this method, you'll save loads of time on copying product details, allowing you to focus more on selling and growing your business. How awesome is that?